Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Captain here, back with another comparison video. Today, Poco launched the second smartphone, the Poco X2. So I compared the Poco X2 with the last year launched Realme X2. Both has a similar specs. So let's start this comparison and see the result. Which phone win this comparison? as you can see the both phone comparison, the Poco X2 is really great smartphone against the Realme X2. The Poco X2 earned 20 points while the Realme X2 earned 18 points, but both are really great phone. Well, the Realme X2 price is a little higher than the Poco X2, but if you want to buy, I will definitely recommend to go buy Poco X2 because it's really great smartphone and it's newly launched. But let me know your thought in the comment section, which phone is you like it, and like this video if you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.